Welcome to day 3 of How I Mastered Advanced English in Just 5 Days. If you have come to this channel for the first time, let me just tell you, in this entire 5-day challenge, I'm sharing my strategies and secrets so that you can also master advanced English just like I did within just 5 days. Every day I'm giving you a challenge of 20 advanced idioms to master within 24 hours. Part 1 and Part 2 videos are already live. In case if you haven't watched it, go and watch them too after this video. And जिन लोगों ने Part 1 and Part 2 देखा है, don't forget to comment down कि last video से आपको कितने idioms अभी तक याद हैं. Let's check our progress as well. And without any further ado, let's hit the ground running with our fresh 20 advanced English idioms for today. To rain on someone's parade. That means to spoil someone's plan. किसी के plan पर पानी फेर देना या किसी का मजा किरकिरा कर देना. For example, I don't want to rain on your parade, but I think it might rain today. See eye to eye. That means to agree to someone. यानी किसी से सहमत होना. For example, they saw eye to eye finally after the long discussion. Speak of the devil. That means शैतान का नाम लिया और शैतान हाजिर. For example, speak of the devil. Here's John. Throw in the towel. That means to give up. यानी कि हार मान लेना. For instance, after several failures, she threw in the towel. Up in the air. That means something which is uncertain or undecided. यानी कि कोई भी ऐसी चीज जो अभी तक फाइनल नहीं है. For example, our trip to London is still up in the air. Dime a dozen. That means something which is very common. यानी ऐसी चीज जो कि बहुत ज्यादा कॉमन है एंड आमतौर पे हर जगह सुनने या देखने को मिलती है. For instance, these kind of opinions are dime a dozen. Burn the candles at both ends. That means to overwork yourself. यानी कि हद से ज्यादा प्रेशर लेना और अपने आप को प्रेशर में डालना. For instance, you can't keep burning the candle at both ends like this. Hit the books. That means start studying. यानी कि पढ़ना शुरू करना. For example, tomorrow you have exams. Go and hit the books. To kick the bucket. That means to die or pass away. यानी कि मर जाना. For example, she kicked the bucket after a long fight with the disease. To know the ropes. That means to understand how things work. कोई चीज कैसे काम करती है वो सीखना और समझना. Don't worry, she knows the ropes here. Let someone off the hook. That means to not hold someone responsible for something or accountable for something. यानी कि किसी भी इंसान को जाने देना, उसको दोषी ना समझना. He requested his boss to let the new employee off the hook. Off the record. That means something which is not yet public or official. यानी कि कोई ऐसी चीज जो अभी तक सबके सामने नहीं आई है. It's not yet public. For instance, off the record. I think he's quitting. Out of the woods. That means to be out of danger. यानी कि खतरे से बाहर होना. For example, he's recovering but not out of the woods yet. To read between the lines. That means to understand the hidden meaning or message. यानी कि बातों के पीछे जो मतलब है उन बातों का या जो मैसेज है उन बातों में उसको समझना. For example, you have to read between the lines in that message. To rock the boat. That means to cause disturbance or disrupt the situation. यानी कि किसी भी काम में बाधा डालना या disturbance create करना. Don't rock the boat. You just got back on track. Shake a leg. That means to hurry up. यानी कि जल्दी जल्दी करो. For example, shake a leg. We are getting late. To sit tight. That means to wait patiently. यानी कि स्थिरता के साथ किसी चीज का इंतजार करना. For example, I'll sit tight and wait for the result. To steal someone's thunder. That means to steal someone's credit. यानी कि किसी और के किए गए काम का क्रेडिट खुद ले लेना. Tip of the iceberg. That means a small part of something bigger. यानी किसी बड़ी चीज का बस एक छोटा सा तिनका भर होना. For example, this problem is just the tip of the iceberg. By the skin of someone's teeth. That means to escape a situation on a narrow margin. यानी कि किसी चीज से बाल बाल बचना. She got away by the skin of her teeth. And with that, here we have covered our 20 idioms for today. And this is going to be a challenge for next 24 hours. And don't forget to share this challenge with your friends as well so that they can also participate and work with you. And just to check your progress, as I said earlier, drop in the comment section how many idioms do you still remember from day 1 and day 2, and how confident are you feeling day by day by learning these idioms. Tell me in the comments. Tomorrow is going to be our day 4 where 20 more idioms are coming your way right at 2 p.m. Don't miss that. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell icon so that tomorrow at the same time you'll be notified when the video is live. Well, it's going to be live at 2 p.m. Don't forget to follow me on my social media handles. Links are given in the description. Bye.